power of levels, gold precisely bounced back from the 1972.5. Now remember why these levels were a greatest support, as I have mentioned several times. And see, we were on buys above 1984-85. Beautifully, gold has come to the next strongest reversal zones at 2035-40. Yes, it is getting a little hesitant to go past this. So does it mean that it is not going to go past, or can we expect again a breakout towards 2054, 2070 levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update. The second update will be released before the US session was that as well. And we have launched the channel memberships. Do become a channel member and support the effort here. Your support means a lot to me. Now look at the hourly charts of gold. See moving averages on the hourly charts crossing over here, staying bullish. Price is divergent from the moving average. Chances for a little retracement exist, but it has got its support at 2024, 2025, which is going to remain a greater support. Only below 2024, 2025, we can expect a further retracement where one can look forward 2018, 2020 as the first support, and then 2010 levels as the next support levels. Yes, these are going to remain earlier a resistance, now will be the support levels here. Be watchful. Stock was overbought. It is trying to cool down a bit. MACD trading with extreme divergence. It can try to converge a bit before rallying further. Yes, extreme divergence it is shown. See what has happened here. Can replicate. Be watchful. RSI extremely overbought, thus it calls for it to cool down. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, moving averages crossing over here, reversal sign, trading outside Bollinger. Gold may try to show a little pullback or a retracement before flying. Even if it has to fly, it can show a pullback. And you can see how beautiful a support it has created now at 1975-80 zone. With that as support, it has seen this rally, and hence these are the support levels which appears to be a distant dream for gold now as it stays bullish. But these are markets, anything and everything is possible. It is trying to reverse. We can expect a little retracement towards 2024, 2025 levels. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down a bit. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. It can possibly convert, but it has still a scope for it to continue with the rise. See double bottom levels and a rise. RSI overbought. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, reversal sign, possibly it was staying outside Bollinger Bands, and thus below 2028 levels we can initiate a selling position. But remember 2024, 2025 first support levels, 2018, 2020 next, and then 2010 levels. These are going to remain a greater support for the gold today. And yes, as we know, 2035-40 is a greater resistance. It has again proven out to be a greater resistance for the day. I will definitely watch out for it. Can try to in fact stay sideways in the box before giving a further break. Thus you have to watch out how it behaves at around this zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. It can try to converge a bit. RSI is overbought. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, couple of bullish candles. Bullishness getting diminished here with the moves, and now it is showing a pullback. Yes, it is also outside Bollinger Bands. The next candle may show a little pullback. Once you see it is staying below 2028, possibly we may look forward to 2024, 25, 2018, 2020. And if you see this candle, the coming candle around this zone, that is around 2012, 2014, possibly we can see the next candle also staying bearish. You have to watch out closely here. Stochastic overbought. MACD trying to diverge, staying bullish, crossing over at the bottom. 4 greener candles. It has further potential for it to continue with the rise. RSI near to overbought zone. Coming to the daily. Before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch. The next batch starts in early January. Then begin the new year with the greater learning and be a profitable trader. Reach out to me or visit my platform forexfunda.com for more details. Also, join the weekly webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets, and I give you the day-wise movement and the targets, and we take a holistic view of index, commodities and currency as well. You can also ask live questions there to me, and yes, this also comes with 2 live consultations with me where you can have a one-on-one consultation with me with respect to any of your existing positions, with respect to any future trades or predictions or analysis you want me to do. All of this comes at a very minimal cost. Just register for the webinar series. Do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com, and if you want to trade as per the signals channel, join my signals package on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for the same. Now look at the daily charts, yes, on the daily charts, it has, see, it was the resistance support, it is the resistance, and it is again given it a resistance. Thus, any move beyond 2040, you should go long, you should stay bullish. 41.5 zone you should watch out for. Beyond that, we are looking forward to, see, we, this is the first bullish candle, there could be a second bullish candle which can take it to 47, 48 first resistance, 54 the next, and beyond 54 we are looking forward to a massive rise towards 2070 levels. This time the next target is going to be 2070. Be watchful there. On the downside, as you know, we have discussed that below 2028 we can initiate a selling position. We can look forward to this zone here at 24.25, then 18.20, and then 2015 levels, 2010 levels will come into picture. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish. Remember, on the daily charts, MACD is still bearish. One must note that this crossover has come at a higher levels. So even if it tries to reverse here, it can either trade sideways or cross or continue to trade bearish. Now it is converging here. It is not yet crossed over. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge, and that is what is happening right now. RSI is also coming or trading in a comfortable zone. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2028 levels. Below 2028, certainly more bearishness is going to follow, where 2024, 25 first target, 2018, 2020 next, and then further bearishness can be expected here, which may take it towards 2010. Now see, 2010, 28 is going to remain a greater support for gold for the day. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 2040. Beyond 2040, you can expect it to move towards 47, 48, 54, and then beyond 54, 2070 is the next milestone. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my membership group here on YouTube. That's a greatest support for me, and the details of the membership are available here. You can be part of my mentorship batch here as on Telegram as well, or be a part of my consultations package. Do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com or hit me on Telegram or email for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session.